I admit, at first it was quite amusing, her persistence. But now it's just really annoying.
That's why, when she calls, tawagan mo yung mga gwardya at ipadampot mo. You cannot trust that girl. Ay, naku, Matthew, ambot, uy.
Okay, but I have an idea. Just an idea, hear me out. What if we just give her what she's asking for? Para tumigil na po siya.
Ay, nabuang ka na, Matthew. Nabuang ka, dong. Ha? Yung 300,000, ibibigay mo? Ha?
Yeah, we can afford it. It's pocket change.
Alam ko, maliit na halaga lang yun. Kung tutusin nga, barya-barya lang yun, Matthew. Pero it's not about the money. If you pay Ikit, it's like you're admitting that you wronged her.
Mom, I'm not concerned about that right now. I just want this whole mess to be over with.
O pues, tatapusin ko na lahat ng panggugulat pamamahiya niya. I will teach her a lesson that she'll never forget.